Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Adobe says it will block Flash content running in its player from January 12th, effectively blocking content on millions of websites. The company has long said it will stop supporting Flash at the end of this year and has just released the final patch for the software for all regions outside of China.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
HTML5 works in a better way than Flash in all the aspects. Not only that, Flash vulnerabilities and zero-day exploits were so bad that it has to go. Exploits such as taking control of the computer were possible with Flash. This led many big platforms to start adopting HTML5 for playback functionality.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Ads, games, and even entire websites were built using Adobe Flash, but times have moved on, and official support for Flash finally ended on December 31, 2020, with interactive HTML5 content quickly replacing it.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Root cause of Flash was the fact it was closed-source proprietary piece of software no one wanted to correctly maintain forcefully added to open-source browsers. Because it has to work everywhere, capacity of Adobe wasn't enough to make it good.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.